Mitcham had a film industry at the beginning of the 20th century. The partnership of Cricks and Martin traded under the name Lionhead Brand Films. It says there at the bottom, London Road, Mitcham, and I'll show you exactly where it is in a minute. So let's get started. The Lion's Head of Mitcham, the story of Cricks and Martin, a silent cinema documentary. So where were they? They were at Ravensbury Lodge, which is off of the west side of London Road, opposite Riverside Drive, before you get to the River Wandle. So I've marked the lodge there in that circle. And today that's Rawnsley Avenue, off the London Road. George Howard Cricks and John Howard Martin, they were students of Robert Paul, a pioneer of British cinema. And from the outset, George Cricks decided there would be no smut. Mr. Martin brought a background in trick films. What was a trick film? And here's a French film from 1903 as an example. Good catch. Thought they were going to be a pair of bloomers from it there, but they're not. I won't show the rest of it. Basically, at their Mitcham works, they made use of tinting and toning. So on the left you see the standard black and white version, and they actually did some colorisation of it. Must have taken ages. Another innovation they brought in, apparently they were the first in England to do so, was to use title cards within the middle of the movie. Basically the audience could understand what's going on. The actual production was a bit of a gamble, a bit of a hit and miss affair. The equipment was not right up to it. Although it does say there that the 165 feet of film produced 150 feet of finished picture. It's not a bad ratio, is it? This particular film is very interesting for people from Mitcham. I can't show it here because it's copyrighted, but I have done a separate video on YouTube about where it covers. It starts at the Fair Green, goes to Three Kings Pond, down past the Cricket Green, and so forth. They produced a lot of films. At their peak in 1911, they were producing one film per week. But in 1913, the partnership between Martin and Cricks broke up, and the legacy of the Lion brand was over 150 films. And I'll leave you now with a list of all the film titles, as seen on the British Film Institute website. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press the like button please. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Bye for now.